bed bug spray. So I get rid of those, which I feel like I'm gonna end up doing that because the style of them is too decisions. All of this stuff was secondhand or Facebook. Hey my gators, so today I want to bring in the other chairs just to see how they look and pull these away. So I want to look at them real quick to see if I even want them. I know for sure I'm gonna probably end up, I'm thinking that I'm probably gonna get rid of these. I'm just not sure. I'm really not. Yeah, let's see. Got a lot going on. I'm looking at tiling the floor. About to go get some cutters, and I need to get some paint for another floor. I'm probably just gonna bring one in. I got that. I was supposed to be washing my car. Yesterday I did the painting of the ears. I'm gonna bring them. Ooh, these spider webs. I ain't even bring my tripod, so it's gonna be awkward. Hold on, y'all. Let's get this wiped down first. They had an animal, but this is gonna be, I'm gonna put new upholstery, but I can still see some fur and spider webs. So I'm gonna get all this up first and then bring it in the house. So anything I bring in, I spray it with like flea, tick, bed bug spray. So I vacuum two. So I want to see what two look like on the side of the couch. I mean the diner table. So okay, that's what they're looking like, and I don't know. I actually like the look. But remember, I got two big chairs to go at the end. I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. I do not know. I want it to be simple, but because I'm seeing so much stuff that doesn't belong in here, that, you know, this is weird for me. So I can have a vision for something, but when stuff is impeding it like this, sometimes it's hard because I don't know if I like the chairs or not. Mind you, this set was $19, y'all. $19. So I'm trying to figure that out right now. I'm trying to figure out if I want to get rid of those, which I feel like I'm going to end up doing that because the style of them is too well structured, like modern, and that's not the look that's in here. Even though I'm very eclectic, I still feel like it's just throwing off the softer dining look that I want to have in here. That can be more for like a kitchen or probably a man's space or something like that, because I don't want to paint them, and they're leather and they're not the color I need at this moment. So yeah, we'll see. What do y'all think? Talk to me, because I'm so torn. You think I should put all four up and see what that feels like, and take these other ones out and sit with these for a little while? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I never sat in them, so I don't even know how comfortable they are. No, you know what? I did sit in them one time to see how sturdy they were. So they are really nice, sturdy chairs. Then I'm wondering, should I take the caning out of them and get like an open back to give it a more different look? Would that affect the chairs? I don't know. I do like that though. I do like the look of them. I will say that. I do like the look of them. Decisions. All of this stuff was secondhand or Facebook. Even those round chairs. Those chairs were brand spanking new. And we didn't really use them much. They still brand new. That's why I'm like so hard up to get rid of them, because I know that they'll last for a long time. They are so sturdy, and they are made by a well-known brand. The guy had to tell me. I didn't even know nothing about the brand, but oh gosh, I'm torn. I'm so torn because I really wanted smaller chairs, like chairs with no high backs, right? And then I wanted the two high back chairs on this end, but I know the other chairs do have high backs. Let me show you the ones I'm talking about. I'm gonna go back out to the garage. So you guys remember I got these king throne looking chairs, and I love them. They're huge, but they need work too. I'm like, girl, do you want to put in the work? I don't know. So we're gonna go look and see how high these backs is. I can't remember. Hold on, let me get in this garage. Yeah, I just need to get close to one because I need to have a difference between the backs. I don't want the side chairs to be just as high as the main chairs, you know what I mean? So definitely want to go check that and see what the height of those are. Look at all this empty space. Really, I need to get in here and like start pushing stuff against the walls and stuff. It's a lot of empty space in here. So these are the chairs. These are the chairs, and these I need to reupholster. They're very nice. Let me see if I can shine some light on them. Okay. They're very nice. Like, they're well made. So these were the ones I wanted to put at the end of the table. I would like to bring one in to see how I like it, but I'm gonna have to wait till I move those cabinets. That's gonna be a process. Hold on, y'all. Let's see how high these are. So those are 41 and these are 40, sitting right at 46 and a half. I don't know if that's big enough of a distance between the two for me to be excited about that. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I need to get in here and rearrange and move some stuff around, take stuff out that I'm not going to use. Oh gosh, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Brace yourself, girl. Just woosah, woosah. See, these are the other chairs right here. Wondering if I should just put them all at the table so I could see. And I think that's what I might do, and just see what they feel like. Bring the brown ones out for a little bit, see what these will feel like. And I don't know, maybe I won't do nothing at the end of the table and sell all of those chairs. I got so many chairs to sell, it don't even make sense. I'm so serious. This was supposed to be in the house. So yeah, I think I'm gonna bring these in too. Let's bring these in and see what it looked like with all of them around the table. Before we bring those in, we need to bring these brown ones out the house. I'm gonna bring the brown ones out because that's gonna be too much in here. See, I'm the type, I have to sit with something for a little bit. So let me get this purse. I was supposed to be going to Menards. I tell you, I can start doing one thing and I'll end up doing something totally different. I'm still going to Menards because I got to get a box cutter and the paint, and I also want to wash my car today. I said I have to do that before I do anything in the house because that's been irking me and I still have not done it. So we're going to take these out. We're going to take these out. Oh my Lord. We're going to take these out and let me sit with these for a little bit. I got to vacuum those other ones and spray them as well. Hold on, let me get that, y'all. Let me get that done. So I got those two. Let's take these out and then, wait, I need to take these out too because that's where the other two are going to be. Y'all, it's living in a renovation is no joke because there's just stuff everywhere. Cabinets and tools and this and that. Do I like how that look from this side? See, I'm looking at all that stuff that needs to be put away and utilized and stuff. Let's get these out of here. Hold on. But real quick, y'all see how these look with the table? Do y'all think that looks bad? I know I'm gonna make my ultimate decision, but I do, want some opinions on what y'all think. And do y'all think these would be cool with the two high chairs? But that'd be 3 different chairs, 3 different looks. No, 2 different chairs because it'll still be these plus the 2 big ones at the end. Let me get these out. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave 2 and 2 because it's just too much. I'm just gonna take 2 chairs out. Yeah, I'm gonna take 2 chairs out because I don't know, I'm really liking my chairs. I'm really liking my chairs. I don't want anything impeding too much of the view, and I don't think that these are really impeding anything because they're slim, but I'm just so indecisive on. I think I'm gonna leave 2 and 2 and just kind of rock with that to see how I feel with those. And I think that what I'm gonna do is, tell me what y'all think. Once these get moved and put in the kitchen, I'm gonna put one of the big chairs that I really want in here and let that sit in here after I wipe it down really good and spray it. Let that sit in here and let me feel that vibe and see what chairs I would rather have, or if I need to get rid of both of those sets altogether and find something else. I don't know. I don't know. I like the look of this. I like the look of this. It just goes well together. Then over here, it's like, I love the chair itself, the bottom is just, I don't know. But nowadays you could just really do what you want. So yeah, I'm gonna leave 2. I'm gonna leave 2 and 2. The more that I look at these, it's nice, but not for me. I feel like it's too matchy. Like, I like the eclectic look of putting something together, and it's just too matchy. And I still don't know. I think what I was gonna do is take the stain color off of this. I was gonna get it like a natural looking wood like this, as natural as I can, like that. So I'm trying to figure it out. I'm really trying to figure it out, because yeah, this ain't giving what I want. This is not giving what I want, and I don't know. I like my chairs. I really like my chairs in there, and I think I need to stick to what I like, huh? These is not, it's something that's not giving me what I feel that I want. It's not that, it's like, it's giving, I ain't gonna say old lady, but it's just giving like, it's too ornate and too traditional, like the style of both together. Now, maybe if this was with the round table, it wouldn't look so bad. And then, you know, I just feel like it's just it's too much. And I don't want those chairs to be as high. I want those to be low. So I think I might stick with these. I might stick with these. And yeah, I might just paint them black, because they'll be low profile, and I think I'm gonna keep my chairs, because they are, listen, if y'all could feel these and sit in these bad boys, they are so, oh my gosh, they're comfortable. They got like a rock to them, and I like my chairs. They're easy to wipe off. I don't gotta redo them. I can just get vinyl paint and do them. And I don't know, even if I do, I might even not even do that. I might just do the bottoms. I don't know. But I like my chairs. I really like my chairs. So I'm torn. I'm looking in there, and I like that look. I don't really like that look. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think I really like that look. I think I'm gonna sell these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell these, because I'm not ready to sell my brown ones, and these are not. It's gonna be work, and the table is easy, but nah. These ain't what I want. Talk to me. I'm gonna put my chairs back in here. I'm gonna take these back out, but I'm gonna put them where I can take a picture of them, and I'm gonna post them for like 200 and let people talk themselves down. Because even if I get 80 for them, it was basically, that means I only paid, I paid 60. That means I profited $60 off of the set, because I only spent $19 on the whole entire set. So yeah, I think I'm gonna post these. I think I'm going to post these chairs. So talk to me in the comments. I talk back. This is what I'm going through. I'm supposed to be washing the car and on my way to Menards, and this is what I'm doing.